Hello everyone, this is Dr. Raymond Rofi with Blue Sky Bio. In this video, I want to show you the functionality of a digital extraction. This will be on the 4.7 beta version of the BLUESKYPLAN software. So for this case, I've already planned our implant, the implant to be placed. This will be an immediate extraction on number 8 tooth. And I'll show you how to do a digital extractions really quick. Okay, so here I'll select my model and duplicate it. Change my color by selecting with the left mouse button on the color of the model. Then I'll just change it to green and I'll double click on the name of the model and I'll just change the name for upper jaw extracted. After this, I will deselect the initial model, deselect my implant, and then I will change my module to go to the model editing module. Now that we're in the model editing module, we will go to the panels, model edit panel, select first the model where we're going to work. In this case will be the upper jaw extracted model, and then we will select the selection brush. Once that the selection brush is blue selected, then we will choose the diameter of the tool. As you can see now, we have a very big diameter of the tool, and at this point in time the selection is final. Okay, so you can either select or clear the selection, but you cannot deselect anything. Okay, so you have the selection tool, you selected the diameter, and then you will start selecting only the outline of the model. You have to be really careful because in this version at this point in time you cannot deselect, you can only select. Okay, now we'll go to the palatal area, zoom in, once that you've selected all the outline of your model, then you'll go and select cut selected area. Once that you've cut the selected area, you will see that you have now two outlines. One outline will be for the shell of the tooth already extracted, and then one outline will be for the model. So next thing we do will be shift and double click on the tooth to be extracted, cut selected area, then we'll go to the holes closing tool, select holes manually, and left click on the hole that I have, on the whole outline that I want to close now. Then I'll choose close selected holes. The software will close and smooth that area. The difference between now and the old way of doing the sorry, the old way of doing the extractions with was in the, I'm just going to show you real quick here in the original model. I'll duplicate it again, just change the color, then I'll just select the pink model. In this case I will select cut all and then just select the area that we want to delete. This error was very common, And then what happened is that we had to export the model to another software and then close the holes and then bring it back. So now the Blue Sky Bio team created a new module where you don't have to deal with that export and import to make your life easier and have these models completely edited, which will have way more advanced uses for later on. Okay, guys, have a good one. I hope you've learned from this and a lot more videos coming for this version. Have a good day. Bye bye.